Hi, I wanted to take just a few minutes to talk about the genre chart. In our classrooms, we need to make sure that we expose our students to lots of different genres. A lot of times we get stuck and only focus on fiction, although the Common Core and our standards has helped us bring in nonfiction texts. But we need to make sure, again, that we expose all of our students, English learners, special needs students, and all the students to different types of genre. So we are going to do an assignment that will help us understand the benefits as well as the characteristics and so on of different genres. To make it easier on you, you each are assigned a different genre found in your textbook, and you need to make sure that you read that chapter thoroughly. Your classmates then will read the other chapters for you, and we'll put all the information in a Google Doc so you can go back and you can just review that information. All the information that you need to fill out your section of the chart can be found in your textbook. So again, make sure that you do reference that. So basically, you can see here what the chart must include, the genre name, characteristics, unique features, and so forth. So let's look at the rubric and what that entails. And I'll just quickly go through the basic tenets of a 4. So under the description, you need to fully describe it so the reader can understand it thoroughly, distinguish it from other genres, include important authors and their works, um, for the history and philosophy of the genre. Just for 4, outline it from the very beginning to where we are today and how it's changed, why it's important. If there's different categories within your genre, please make sure that you include those also. The next category is criteria for evaluating the genre. And you can see that at least 4 criteria are included to evaluate. And again, you can find those right in your textbooks. Benefits of using the genre in the classroom for both your kindergarten through second grade classroom and your third through fifth grade classroom. Also looking at your English learners, your special needs students. What are the benefits for all of your students? And then finally, you're going to give 4 examples of the genre, 4 texts from the genre. At least one must be a K2, one must be a 3-5, and then the other can be either way. And you can see that you need to include the title, the author, or the illustrator, the grade level picture if possible, and then a synopsis in your own words, not what's on the back of the book, but in your own words that makes the reader want to really, really read that book. Okay, so let me take just a second and show you an example of what that might look like. So here it is in a Google Doc, and I've just included an example for you to see. Um, there you see the genre name, characteristics, and unique features, and this one happens to be an example of nonfiction. So underneath the genre, you put your name, and then you tell about it, and then you go to the history and philosophy and so on. So it's all outlined in our table. And then you include you get down to some examples. So you can see example 1, when Marianne sang, the true recital of Marian Anderson, the voice of the century. There's the author or the illustrators, the grade level, there's a picture, and then a synopsis of it. Okay, so that's in a nutshell what our genre chart assignment is all about. If you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to reading about your genre, and you all are reading about each other's to learn all about the different genres and how you might use them in the classroom. Thanks so much for listening.